Hi, I'm Katja and I'm here to tell you about how Paptic can be your solution in the flexible packaging. I will shortly walk you through again what the Paptic material is all about. Then I will touch base what the flexible packaging market is today, what materials are used currently, and then a bit more into details, technical details even, what the packaging applications can be and the possible end uses. So let's start. The Paptic material is something very new. It's fiber-based, it's strong, it's durable, it's easy on ears, pleasant to touch, and most importantly, it's recyclable. So it's very sustainable alternative for many uses. And as you know, the flexible packaging market is vast. It's huge. It's estimated to be over $130 billion in the year 2022. And the materials used today, the range is big. So we have films, we have foils, we have papers, and combinations of all of these materials as a laminate form. And of course, recycling different materials is difficult. Paptic material is recyclable in current streams of cardboard and paper, which is widely available throughout the globe. And the material range which is used today in the flexible packaging is wide exactly for the fact that the main purpose of the package is to protect the goods which are packed inside. And this is of course the most important role of the packaging, and we are not here to challenge for example, the food waste aspect. But we think that there are still many end uses where plastic is used unnecessarily. And this is actually exactly the point where we can help you straight away. The material is very different. It resonates to consumers as it's not paper, it's not plastic. You feel it's different, you hear it's different, and it is something new. So this is something that your brand can really stand out from the shelf. And the range of packages and materials, the range of packages and the goods we can pack into Paptic material is big. We have all sorts of end uses which do not require barriers as such. All sorts of bits and pieces, parts, toys, puzzles, you name it. I have a few examples here we can see later on. But exactly for the flexible packaging end use, we have developed actually a grade which has all the same properties as the other Paptic grades. It's strong, silent, durable, recyclable in the cardboard stream, but it's also heat sealable. It's designed to run perfectly on the film form seal packing lines. It's a difficult word. Film form seal packing lines. And we have actually a proven concept already with, for example, doi bags, the stand-up pouch. Here we have some dry food inside. The pillow bags. You might have received this sample. This is our sample for the pillow bags, and this, if you look the package very carefully, you see that it was packed by the very famous Finnish brand Fazer. And Fazer has also taken Paptic material in use at their experience center, and we are constantly finding further ways to collaborate. So this is a nice example of what we can do with the Paptic material. Going further, we have also the Polybag, very simple packaging pouch, 3-side seamed, much used in the fashion industry, and we actually have the material already available in different events, and we have products packed in the polybags. And when you combine this polybag with our e-commerce mailers, you really have a sustainable set for any shipments in the clothes industry. This bag is so simple in the form that it can be used also in other end uses. When you combine it with the cardboard header, you can pack practically anything. Here we have, for example, the knitting needles. Here, outlet hose for the washing machine. Here are some rubber bands. This is maybe not the most sustainable product, but at least the package is. And furthermore, we are developing end uses for wrapping lines. The material is brilliant, especially for the soft products. Here we have some toilet paper inside, because it's strong, it's very puncture resistant, and you can really feel the product inside. The benefit also is that the package survives well in the internal logistics of the manufacturer. So good end use and applications, and we are working to find a solution that we can take this on the market as well. Besides those wrapping lines, we also work on creating the pre-form bags. So for example, wicket bags, also very good for soft products. Here we have some sanitary napkins inside, also silent, which is important. And this is a way we are cooperating with the converter to create the wicket bags for the market. And we will keep you posted whenever we have it available. Of course, for the preforms, stand-up pouch, it's already a proven concept. And of course, many other uses you can imagine. This is only a snapshot what we can do with our material. And important part is that if I now only have this sheet in my hands, we actually produce this material in huge reels. So it weighs like 2 cars or something like this. And these packages are done by a converter, and where we supply the material in reel form. And we have a good network already, but I'm sure we have some new candidates online, so just get connected. And the material is food contact approved, so it's very safe material, and it's also FSC certified for the chain of custody. So in all the aspects, brilliant material. And you might also ask, how about the materials which require barriers? The material as such is splash resistant, but it's not waterproofed. However, both Paptic Kavia and Paptic Tringa can be treated in all the same means as paper today. So you can create laminates for certain barrier needs and to reduce the plastic amount in the packaging if the zero plastic alternative is not yet available. So if you got interested, just contact us in the all social media tools and the email, and we'll get forward with the trialing. Thank you.